In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails using Sendgrid easily. Whether you're reaching out to clients, subscribers, or a large audience, mastering bulk email with Sendgrid can streamline your communication efforts and improve efficiency. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding and can implement it seamlessly. First, you'll need to visit the Sendgrid website. You can find it simply by searching for Sendgrid Email API and email marketing campaigns in your browser. Once you're there, look for the sign in option. You'll want to click on the sign in button to access your account, allowing you to utilize the full range of Sendgrid's features for your email campaigns. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing email campaigns, tracking analytics, and accessing various tools Sendgrid has to offer. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview and makes it easier to manage your contacts and email lists. Next, look for the marketing section. Clicking on this section will direct you to the tools specifically tailored for crafting and managing your email marketing strategies. Here you can access features that will help you design your email content, schedule campaigns, and more. After you're in the marketing section, go ahead and click on contacts. This area is crucial as it stores all the contact information for your email recipients. Here you can manage lists, add or remove contacts, and ensure your email reaches the right audience. Once in the contacts section, click on all contacts. This option provides a comprehensive view of every contact you have under management in Sendgrid. It's a useful feature not only for viewing individual contacts, but also for making bulk actions, such as sending mass emails by list. Now you need to upload your list of contacts, which should be in a CSV format. Click on Upload CSV to begin this process. Importing contacts via CSV allows you to rapidly add hundreds or even thousands of recipients in one go without having to manually enter each one. Before uploading, ensure your CSV file is properly formatted and includes all necessary information, such as names and email addresses, to avoid errors. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up and prepare to send your bulk emails with Sendgrid. This setup will enhance your ability to engage more effectively with your audience, whether it's for marketing, announcements, or any large-scale communication needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other resources for more tips on maximizing your digital marketing efforts.